Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a strawberry banana tea. So I'm starting with strawberry stevia in the bottom. I'm adding some original tea. I'm going to add some aloe, some mango. I'm using strawberry watermelon Mio. I'm going to put some ice in there. And a lime liftoff. Add some more ice. Add some water, and then I'm going to add some real strawberries. These are frozen. You could also do fresh, but I just use the frozen. And then I'm going to top it with banana stevia. And that's it. That's how you make the strawberry banana tea. Thanks for watching.